In this video, we show why it is crucial to thoroughly flush a hydraulic system after a defect, such as a broken hydraulic pump in a road sweeper. Here you see the defective pump that has caused severe contamination in the hydraulic system. The contamination is clearly visible in the heavily contaminated filter. When a pump fails internally, the entire circuit becomes contaminated with metal particles and microcontamination particles. After replacing the pump and changing the oil, the machine may appear ready for use. However, this is a critical misconception. The system still contains residual contamination in components such as hoses, piping, cylinders, valve blocks, and other parts. As soon as the machine is restarted, this contamination circulates through the system again, which inevitably leads to premature wear or immediate failures in sensitive components, such as proportional valves or a new pump. These components have clearances of only 1 to 4 microns. Therefore, it is absolutely necessary to flush the hydraulic system with an external fine filter system before commissioning to prevent malfunctions. In the following images, we show how this works. Connecting the NTF fine filter flushing system. The road sweeper with new oil and a new pump is connected to an external fine filter system. The suction hose and return hoses are placed in the hydraulic tank. Connect to the power supply and check the hoses again whether they are properly in the tank. The fine filter system is switched on and begins circulating the oil. The filters used are capable of filtering dirt particles down to 1 micron from the oil. For comparison, standard full-flow filters on machines typically filter only between 10 and 40 microns. This is insufficient to remove microcontamination that is harmful to modern hydraulic components and causes malfunctions in proportional valves and pumps. Flushing in the static phase. Initially, let the filter system run until the entire contents of the hydraulic tank have circulated and filtered at least 3 to 5 times. During this phase, coarse and fine particles are removed from the free oil. Flushing of hydraulic functions. After the first cycle, various hydraulic functions of the machine are activated, extending cylinders, operating valves, etc. As a result, the internal channels of components are actively flushed with the now filtered oil. Repeating flushing cycles. After operating all functions, a full tank flush is performed 3 to 5 times again to filter out the loosened contamination. This process is repeated several times. After 3 full flushing rounds, the system is completely cleaned, free of harmful contamination, and ready for safe use. This minimizes the risk of malfunctions due to residual contamination and significantly extends the lifespan of new components. Only through these repetitions can one assume that approximately 95% of all system contamination has been effectively removed. Failure to perform a flushing procedure after an overhaul or replacement of severely damaged components is a common cause of repeated failures in hydraulic systems. Flushing a hydraulic system after a failure using an external fine filter system, offline flushing, offers clear advantages. 1. Effective removal of contamination, such as metal particles, wear residues, and varnish or sealant residues. 2. Lower maintenance and breakdown costs, longer service life of pumps, valves, and cylinders, less premature filter saturation in the main system, and less downtime due to repeated failures. 3. Measurable and demonstrable result. Online particle measurement is possible. The result is demonstrable and important for warranty purposes. 4. Suitable for oil conditioning. An external fine filter system can also separate water, remove aging products, and make oil reusable instead of replacing it. In summary, external fine filtration after failures ensures reduced risk of repeated failures, longer component lifespan, lower total costs. NTF filters guarantee reliable machines that work when work needs to be done. Ask your dealer for more information or visit our website.